did you see that? He totally smiled.
I can't breathe. I'm blushing so hard.
So you want to create an AI story like that completely free? Well, don't worry. Let's go through it together, okay? Now, I'm going to use my phone for this demonstration, not my laptop, just to tell you that anybody can do it. Don't say because you don't have a laptop, that's the reason why you've not started generating your stories. Now, let's get into it. First thing you're going to do is to go to your browser. Don't worry, I'm going to add the screen record there. So, you go to your browser. When you get to your browser, you type Flow AI, then you will log in. I know a lot of people already know about Flow AI, but not everyone knows how much you can achieve using it. Mostly the free version and then maybe the free credits too. So just click on this first one that says Google Labs and it will take you to the website, right? So when you get to the website, click on Create with Flow and this is the interface you're going to get. Okay, then you go on and sign in. You can select any of your emails to sign in with. So I'll just go ahead and select one of my own and I'll sign in, okay? Now I'm signed in. Then what you're going to do is to click on the new project. So this is what your interface will be like. Remember, if you want to generate images, no matter how many images you want to generate, it is totally free. Okay, so let's go ahead and generate an image and then we animate it. Okay, so let's say I want to get an avatar video of myself. You can also use a realistic video, or let's make something more realistic that everyone wants to use, right? Everyone wants to create AI videos. You want to make AI videos, so let's just use something more like that. So I would say something like two students. Make sure that you have a good prompt though. I'm just using this as an example. Two students in a school environment looking at their crush. So let's say two female students in a school environment looking at their crush. Now, if you look down, you see where it says Nano Banana 2, right? So this is where you can change the aspect ratio. Let's say you're creating your images for your TikTok page. You can change it to 9 by 16, this 9 by 16, or you can change it to 16 by 9, whichever one is more suitable for you. So here it says that you can generate, here that says times 1, it means that you can generate just one image. Here that says times 2, it means you can generate 2 images. Then the place that says times 3, 3 images, 4 images, right? So let's just stick with the 2 images then I would like mine to be in 16 by 9. So I'll just leave it like that. You can see down here it says generating will use 0 credits, so they are not charging you anything to generate those images. So you go ahead and send it, then you wait for a while and you get your output. So this is exactly what we got. Look at the first image. Very, very cute. This is the first image. Then look at the second image. You can see how realistic it is. Okay, so just make sure you work on your prompt and you get the best out of it. Now after these images are ready, let's say we want this first one. Now just go ahead, click and hold on it, then you see the download. Click on the download and look at it. The image have been saved to my phone, right? So next thing we are going to do now is to animate it. Like I said, we are animating it for free. So just go ahead and click on the plus sign to bring in that image. Okay, you can add it up from here, but I don't want to add it from there. You can see that it has been added. So let's say it is saved in your gallery. You want to add it from your gallery, just click on the plus sign, then you click on this place that says upload image, then choose where your file is saved. Mine was saved into my files, not my photo library. So I'll just go to my files and this is the image here. Then I'll open it, add it here. So next thing I will do here is to go here, this place that says nano banana 2, click on it. Instead of the image, change it to video. Now this is what we have here. We have changed it into video. Then you go ahead and add your image. Okay, so let's choose from file. It has been added, right? So next thing we are going to do now is to input our prompt. So let's say the two, like I said, always make sure you work on your prompt. Okay, the two female students looking at their crush and blushing really hard. Okay, so let's just go with this. So we go ahead and do what and send it. Now remember that they are giving you 40 credit for this to use VEO 3.1, right? They are giving you 40 credits. So once this credit is exhausted, you can just switch email to another one. So we are just going to use this normal fast. So instead of two to save our credits, I will say let's use one so that it will use only 20 credits for it. So just go ahead and send it. Then you wait for it to generate your video. So let's generate. Let's see if we got what we wanted. So as you're waiting for it, please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, just go ahead and subscribe. You'll be seeing more and more of these videos often and often. Okay, so just go ahead and subscribe to my channel, share my video, like, comment. I mean, your comments are the only things that are going to encourage me to actually continue. So just go ahead and, yeah, drop your comments in the comment section. I love you too. I think our video is getting ready. Yeah, our video is ready. So let's just go ahead and play it and see what we got.
Did you see that? He totally smiled.
I can't breathe. I'm blushing so hard.
This is this
Did
is
you
so
see that?
beautiful. So yeah, that's how you generate it. So if you want to make it like a dialogue form where you want them to say a particular thing, just go ahead and add it to your prompt. Okay, that would be it. So here it says extend. In case you want to extend the video, you want them to say more things on this same frame, you can just click on the extend and then do that. Okay, so yeah, that's how to generate your videos, totally free. When you click on this your email here, you can see that it's giving you 150 credits. I'm supposed to show you that before now. It's supposed to be 150 credit free, right? And it refreshes daily, right? So 150 credits, just manage it up. You can switch emails like I said, and then the next day it will refresh. You have the 150 credits again. Go try it out and then come back to let me know the outcome. And also go ahead and tell me in the comment section, what else do you want me to talk about? What video should I talk about next? And I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.